Hello everyone. Today we shall discuss exercise 8.5 question number 2. Rashid spent rupees 35.75 for maths book and rupees 32.60 for science book. Find the total amount spent by Rashid. Right? That means you have to add the numbers. Okay. The solution of 2 is you add the numbers. Thus Rashid spent for maths book Rashid spent for maths book is equal to rupees 35.75 is equal to rupees 35.75 rupees 35.75 0.75 and Rashid is spent for science book is equal to rupees 32.60 32 rupees 32.60 32.60 32.60. That means to find the total amount spent by Rashid, you have to add the numbers. If you add both the numbers, what we are getting, you see, that is 5. It is 5. 7 plus 6 is 13. Carry 1. 5 and 6, 7, 8. It is 8. 3 plus 3, 6. 68.35. Right? Find the total amount spent by Rashid. Therefore, total amount spent by Rashid spent by Rashid is rupees 68.35. Okay.